Okay, did you find all the universities? Let's look at the next construct that you'll probably use quite often, which is a filter. So the idea of a filter is that it doesn't match by itself. Instead, it removes matches that you got previously. So here in the where clause, we are matching a number of triples, and then using the filter, we're going to remove some of those matches. So if you look at this example here, again, we are querying DBpedia, and we are querying the URI that talks about linked data. In there, we have an RDFS comment. And as you remember from last time from the worksheet, the comment can have a language tag in multiple languages. So now, you have, let's say, an agent, a chatbot that talks to the user. Obviously, you don't want to give the user an answer in 5 different languages. You want to give it in the language that the user is currently interacting with: English, French, Spanish, German, whatever. So here, this would give you all comments with all the language tags. But now we can use a filter, and we are, in this case, filtering using the language. And the one that we are asking for is, please give me only the English language ones. So filters, you can do quite a number of complex operations with it. They can work on numbers. You can ask for something that's smaller or bigger. You can work on strings, on dates. You can also apply them in URIs and other data types. And they also support regular expressions. So going back to the bookstore example, here we're going to filter by currency. So we are going to do first the same patterns that we had before. We want to have the books with their price, but now we are not interested in all the prices in all different currencies. We only want to have the one in euro currency. And now if you run this query here, it will first match the first ones that you've seen before, all 4, but then the filter will apply and it will filter out the ones that don't match currency is euro. So you only get 2 results in the end. And guess what? There is another exercise on the worksheet. So in this task here, you have to give me all cities in Canada that have a population of more than 3 million. And you have to do it using a filter. So if you look at the population, you see there is a lot of different population methods of urban area, metropolitan area, and so on. So for this query, just use the population urban predicate. And then once you have found all the cities with the population, try to apply a filter on them. And then I'll see you in the next lecture segment. Good luck.